afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. I'm John, and I'm here to answer all those questions on the internet about concrete. We got a question from, Snickwad. Great name, by the way. The question was, ding!
Should volumetric trucks, aka mystery mixers, be outlawed?
Should volumetric trucks, aka mystery mixers, be outlawed? No! Why? They're just mixers. They carry around about 3 cubic yards worth of... Oh, shoot. That multitasking. They're mixers, just like anything else. And just like any other mixer, which is an inanimate object, it just takes a good operator to use it the right way. And good materials. If you got crap materials, let's say you have crap equipment, and you got a batch person who doesn't know what they're doing, even behind a volumetric mixer, you're gonna get crap material. So, I don't know. I wouldn't outlaw them. I think they're great. I think they're fun to use. I want to buy one to use on my property just for fun. I just can't convince Whitney to spend the money. She's like, where's the return on investment? And I say, there's no return on investment, babe. It's just a toy. But it's an awesome toy. A toy that we can teach the children with. Haven't convinced her yet. Hold on a sec. Yeah, so no, I don't think they should outlaw them. But if the person that you're buying concrete from stinks at making it, go find somebody else. There's a whole bunch of people using those things out there. Go concrete!
Beat asphalt!